Hello everyone, this is a video of this new in-box Feiss Spirit of Saturn knockoff, and I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace because I like this design of fan and whatnot. And it was actually not all that expensive. I paid 30 bucks for it. And this is the box. REM-con not included. I guess that would mean remote control, which is fine because I loathe remote controls anyway. I don't quite know what that handwriting is. It says Rimple DR, probably drive, fan 116. That's not the name of the street I went to get it, so I don't know what that means. Here's the side. It has denoted the finish, polished brass, light kits included, dual mount design, flush mountable or down rod mount. It's the other side of the box. It is the same as the side before it. And here's this side showing you that it's reversible. So, let's take a look inside. Now this is Feiss. There is no indication of such that I have seen so far, but it is. It comes with balancing kit, installation instructions, all that good stuff. Obviously I know how to put up a ceiling fan, so I won't be using these. But yeah, warranty. Now you would think it would have the brand on here, but it does not. There it is if you want to read it. All it says is American Fan Retail Association Incorporated. So I don't quite know what that is. The blades, they're black, non-reversible, so they're black on both sides. You got the mounting bracket, down rod, canopy, holes for flush mounting, pretzel style blade brackets. That's 4 of them. Oh, 5. Here we go. What do we got here? American Fan Retail Association. No indication at all that it's Feiss. Switch housing, detachable, just plugs right in. Mounting screws and all that good stuff. Screws for the blades. Silica gel, real nice. Take that off. Now we get to the good stuff. Here's the light kit. Plexiglass. Spirit of Saturn style, except the actual Saturn would have the 3 rings be cantilevered sizes. This box contains the center tube, which is actually glass. Open this. Get it out. Good stuff, good stuff. And the motor. Big and heavy. Very thick. These little access panels actually screw off, which I think is cool. So you can change the light bulbs inside the lighted housing so the rings would light up. Which you'll see in the video I take of this fan momentarily. But yeah, this fan is really neat, and there's a good chance that I'm going to put it in my new master bedroom when I build it, just because I really like it a lot. So there's the unboxing, and I'll have it being filmed in operation here pretty soon.